Marketing Research and Information Systems, Chapter 5. The Importance of Marketing Research. Marketing research, a process of collecting, interpreting, and reporting information to marketers on marketing problems and opportunities. Marketing research helps a firm understand marketing opportunities, the success a new product may have, and the usefulness of a particular marketing strategy.
The second topic we will be covering today is types of research. One of the main types of research is exploratory research. Exploratory research is conducted to gather more information about a problem or to make a tentative hypothesis more specific. It often focuses on non-numerical information called qualitative data. Exploratory research is conducted in two main ways. Customer advisory boards are a small group of actual customers who serve as sounding boards and offer insights into their feelings and attitudes towards a firm's products and other elements of its marketing strategy. These boards can provide great insight into marketing research questions. Focus groups typically include a flexible data collection process, such as an interview without a structured questionnaire. These interview groups are traditionally made up of 8 to 12 participants, and the goal is to observe interaction when members are exposed to an idea or a concept.
Conclusive research. Conclusive research is made to be specific and verify insights through objective procedures to help marketers in making decisions. It requires quantitative data, which is numerical data. It has to be well-defined and structured. It needs a large sample size and a well-laid out procedure.
Next, we have the marketing research process. Here are the 5 steps of the marketing research process. Step 1 is locating and defining problems or research issues. Step 2, designing the research project. Step 3 is collecting data. Step 4 is interpreting research findings. And finally, we have Step 5, reporting research findings. Now we will go into some details about each of the 5 steps. Step 1 in the marketing research process is to locate and define problems or research issues. This focuses on detailing the situation within an organization related to its marketing strategy and ability to execute it. For example, a company may want to increase sales. The company will have to identify key issues that have reduced sales. Examples of these issues include lack of promotions, brand image issues, and stale advertising.
Step 2. Designing the research project. The next step is to develop a research design that can address a problem or issue that has been established in Step 1. Research design. An overall plan on addressing a research problem or issue. The research design should include a hypothesis, and the research techniques must have reliability and validity.
Step 3 is to collect data about the product's target market. There are 2 types of data. Primary data is observed and collected directly. It has many sources, including sampling, surveys, interviews, and crowdsourcing. Secondary data is compiled inside and outside an organization for a purpose other than the current one. It can have a wide range of sources, from internal accounting records to government reports.
Number 4. Interpreting research findings. The steps to interpret research findings include: Number 1. Display the data in table format. Number 2. Analyze that data using statistical interpretation, which is an analysis of what is typical and what deviates from the average, and it also indicates how widely responses vary and how they are distributed in relation to the variable being measured. Number 3, accept or reject the hypothesis being studied. And lastly, number 4, relate the results to a context that permits effective decision making.
Step 5, reporting research findings. The final step is reporting the research findings. The report should be in a formal, written document and should have research that is meaningful, relevant, helpful to marketers and managers, accurate, and supportive of the organization's end goals.
The 4th topic we will be diving into is using technology to improve marketing information gathering and analysis. Marketing information systems. A marketing information system is a framework for managing and structuring information gathered regularly from sources inside and outside the organization. The steps you need to follow in order to set up a marketing information system is: Number 1, determining the objective of the information by identifying decision needs that require certain information, and Number 2, specify an important system for continuous monitoring to provide regular, pertinent information on both the internal and external environment. Marketing information systems are commonly used for data storage. They provide a continuous flow of information about prices, advertising, sales, competition, and distribution expenses. They also help develop effective marketing strategies, and they allow for companies to form one-on-one relationships with their customers.
Databases. Databases are collections of useful information arranged for easy access and retrieval, allow marketers to tap into an abundance of information to help aid in making marketing decisions. Internal sales reports, newspaper articles, company news releases, government economic reports, bibliographies, and more are often accessed through a computer system. One of the main uses of databases is customer relationship management, or CRM. CRM employs database marketing techniques to identify different types of customers and develop strategies for interacting with each customer. The 3 steps used within the CRM are: 1. Identifying and building a database of current and potential consumers, including a wide range of demographic, lifestyle, and purchase information. 2. Developing differential messages according to each consumer's preferences and characteristics through established and new media channels. 3. Tracking customer relationships to monitor the costs of retaining individual customers and the lifetime value of their purchases.
Big data. Big data is massive data files that can be obtained from both structured and unstructured databases. It contains high volume data, and it includes data that's collected from social workers, retail scanning, purchases, logistics, and productions. It needs a sophisticated software system to be able to contain all the information.
Marketing analytics. Marketing analytics is the use of tools and methods to measure and interpret the effectiveness of a firm's marketing activities. Its purpose is to evaluate the company's ROI, return on investment, on its marketing statutes, and to make adjustments when necessary. Fun fact, more than 30% of companies have integrated marketing analytics into the daily activities of the marketing function. The steps you need to follow in order to invest in marketing analytics include: number 1, defining what to measure and which tools to use; number 2, collecting data; number 3, developing reporting capabilities; and number 4, implementing the campaign and analyzing the results.
The Marketing Decision Support System, or MDSS, is a customized software that helps marketing managers make decisions by assisting them in anticipating the effects of those decisions. It is linked to big data and other analytics. It sometimes incorporates AI and other advanced technologies.
The 5th topic we will be covering today is issues in marketing research. What is the importance of ethical marketing research? Ethical marketing research ensures trust, credibility, and compliance with legal standards. It involves responsible data collection and analysis while respecting consumer rights. Professional standards need to be established in order to be able to judge the reliability of marketing research. These standards are important because of the ethical and legal issues that develop in gathering marketing research data. As an example, many consumers are wary about how their data is being used, especially in concern to if their data is being sold to third-party companies. In order to obtain the information that marketers want, they need to establish a trusting relationship with consumers and demonstrate ethical behavior. Companies need to be sure that the data on customers they are using does not infringe on customer privacy. Ethical marketing research builds consumer confidence, protects privacy, and ensures fairness, ultimately strengthening brand success.
International issues in marketing research. There are certain modifications that need to be made to ensure the research is valid and reliable for international users. They use a 2-pronged approach for international research. This involves a detailed search for and analysis of a secondary data to gain a greater understanding of a particular marketing environment.
Thank you guys so much for watching our review on Chapter 5.